Hello and welcome to our Ashampoo Backup Pro 14 video tutorial. Backup plans are the foundation for successful backups in Backup Pro 14. Today, I'll show you how to create a backup plan in just a few steps. Once launched, select Create Backup Plan. Next, select the storage type that will hold your backup. I want to back up my files to a flash drive, so I select Local or Network Drive. Then, I select my flash drive. Backing up data to an external drive has the advantage that your files will still be recoverable in the event that your internal drive is no longer functioning. My flash drive was assigned the letter E, so I select that entry. Naturally, my backup plan needs a name. It makes sense to pick a telling name to help keep different plans apart. I'll call mine Daily Documents. For this example, I want to back up files in the default Documents folder, so I select Individual Files Folders. The program can either maximize disk space efficiency or accessibility. More efficient means backups will consume less disk space, but files will only be accessible through the program itself. More accessible allows for faster file access. I'll go with space efficiency. The program offers an easy way to select files based on common file locations or use cases. I now select the Documents folder. Manual file and folder selection allows you to add individual files and folders. You can encrypt your backups for improved security. For this example, I'll skip this option. File compression is pre-selected by default, but you can always disable it, of course. Backups can be auto-updated at regular intervals. I'll go with daily backups at 1 p.m. If you ever miss a backup, for example because your PC was off during the scheduled time, you can select how the program will behave in this case here. I'll pick Make a Backup at the next opportunity. You can also specify what action the program will take once the backup process is complete. Maybe you'd like to have your files backed up at night or before you go to sleep. In these cases, it makes sense to have the PC auto-shut down afterwards. It's also wise to have the program verify completed backups to auto-repair potential file corruption. Backup Pro can create detailed reports for review purposes. You can select the scope of the reports here. If you like, you can have these reports emailed to you to stay up to date even when you're away. Note that this requires a free Ashampoo account. This setting allows you to define how long older archives will be kept. 30 days is the default setting. Afterwards, you'll see a summary of your settings. If needed, use the back button to make adjustments. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm the changes to your PC. Once the backup plan has been created, you can start backing up your files immediately or return to the main page. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Use the comment section to tell us which topics you'd like covered in the next tutorial. Oh, and if you'd like to try out the program for free, use the link in the description.